Sound measurements, key takeaways. Sound level measurements quantify properties of sound waves, such as frequency and amplitude, using units like hertz and decibels. Factors affecting sound analysis include wind, humidity, temperature, air pressure, and vibrations. As an example, wind can introduce measurement errors in outdoor sound level measurements, and wind shields are used to mitigate this issue. Sound measurement quantities include time average sound level, LAEQ, peak sound level, LP, sound pressure level, SPL or LP, time weighted sound level, LAF or LAS, and sound exposure level, LA. Acoustic measurements have various applications, including workplace noise assessment, environmental noise monitoring, sound engineering, physics research, audiometry, and psychoacoustics. International organizations like ISO, IEC, ANSI, and OSHA establish standards for noise measurements, ensuring accuracy and consistency across applications. Sound measurement instrumentation includes sound level meters, noise dosimeters, and outdoor noise monitoring stations. A wealth of information is waiting for you at SVANTEK Academy.